It is not possible to simply connect a welding gun to a regular wall outlet and get enough power output to perform the welding task. Thus, welders need a dedicated welder generator combo that delivers sufficient power to the welding guns. Here are some important factors of welder generator combo devices that are important for their application. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 welder generator combo on the market. We have made our research and this list reflects our opinion. We have listed products based on quality, durability, price, feature, consumer feedback, and more. Our goal is to create a proper shopping guide so that our viewers can make the best choice. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Tomahawk Power Store Portable Generator. The brand Tomahawk is known for providing high-quality products that assure high performance and long-lasting durability. Tomahawk Power Store Portable Generator is our first choice for the best welder generator combos present in the market today. Among their wide product range, TWG210A welder generator is a combination of quality and high power output. It is suitable for a wide range of applications that include farms, construction sites and any other job site that needs constant current. It features 15 HP engine which provides 2000 watts of DC output. This portable generator is quite easy to set up and operate. It has fuel tank capacity of 7 gallons, which is enough for handling a wide range of applications. It comes with 50 to 210 amp DC voltage that ensure proper performance. It comes with easy-to-read digital meter and dial for easy operation. It is perfect investment option for ranchers, educators, contractors and others. Its best features are 60% duty cycle, wheels for easy maneuverability, permanent magnetized generator, reliable amperage, 2-year warranty, reliable power output. Number 2. Canal MOSA Engine Welder Generator. Our second pick for the list today is coming from Canal MOSA Engine Welder Generator. We are featuring a cost-effective option coming from a budget-friendly called Canal. Similar to our previous pick from Canal, the following welder generator combo is also best for those who have a tight budget. The Canal MOSA engine-driven stick welder is an affordable choice over our previously mentioned Canal device. Thus, it is the most affordable option present on our list today. It comes with a 150 amp output capacity and a 60% duty cycle which makes it applicable for general-purpose applications. One of the strong suits of the Canal MOSA engine-driven stick welder is that it is the most lightweight option on our list and weighs only 75 pounds. Hence, it can be easily carried around a workplace or construction site for application. It is a DC arc welding machine that allows high-frequency voltage and welding current control so that you can get desired output from the device. It is capable of working with all types of electrodes, even the cellulosic electrodes, that require high power output. There are micro brakes provided in the internal circuit to avoid damage to the machine in case of a power surge. For the user's safety, there is an engine stop feature that occurs when the oil level is low in the machine. The US EPA and California regulation certification also ensure further safety and reliability of the machine. Number 3. Durostar DS12000EH Portable Generator. Durostar is one of the reliable and well-known brands that provides several generator models that include both gas and dual fuel options. Most of their products are available at affordable price ranges. Their DS12000EH portable generator is a gas-powered generator which ensures high performance. It is specially designed for different applications that include ranches, farms, maintenance, construction and other emergency power outages. It comes with 4,000 starting watts and 3,300 running watts. This generator ensures plenty of power to handle multiple jobs from high-voltage appliances to heavy-duty power tools. Similar to other Durostar generators, this model is EPA and CARB approved for use in almost 50 different states. Number 4. Hobart Champion Elite Welder Generator. Hobart is a well-known brand in the industry as it produces heavy-duty machinery and workshop equipment. Out of which, its welder generator combo is one of the most powerful options you can find in the market. It is one of the most powerful welder generator combos present on our list with a peak power capacity of 11,000 watts. It has a 225 amp capacity that enables many different types of welding jobs that are not possible on lower amperage. Even with the high specifications, Champion Elite 225 welder generator is compact in shape and very easy to use. The generator on the Champion Elite 225 welder generator has a dedicated fuel tank with 12 gallons capacity that does not require frequent refueling, which is helpful for long and continuous jobs. The generator shuts down if the oil pressure falls below the design limit, which is an essential safety measure. It is powered by a dependable engine that conserves fuel while running and sustains a longer operation time. Similar to most Hobart devices, the Champion Elite 225 Welder generator is also backed by their 5/3 warranty scheme. Number 5. Lincoln Ranger 330 MPX Engine Welder Generator. The Lincoln Ranger is our last choice for the best welder generator combos present in the market today. The Ranger 330 MPX welder and generator leads the way for the construction, maintenance, and service truck industries. The modern design and advanced features allow this machine to streamline welding operations and improve efficiency at the job site. Performance boosting technology, quick setup with ready set. Weld ARCS technology, crosslink technology, the chopper technology, high quality operations, clean AC generator with 10 kilowatts of continuous power, plenty of power at 338-28 V for 100% duty cycle to weld 1/4 in 70-18 electrode. The Magnum Pro 250L XGT direct connect spool gun arc gouging capabilities up to 3/16 carbon electrode quieter. The Ranger 330 MPX is up to 60% quieter than other machines in its class to enhance safety and comfort in the workplace. Please like, comment, share and subscribe and hit the bell notification. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one, and we hope you liked this video. If you want to know the product price, do check out the description box. Thanks for watching.